All right, if you're feeling blue or anxious, now there's a way to get therapy on the go, and it's right at your fingertips. Fox 32's Alexa Helms here to explain how psychologists at Northwestern Medicine are giving millions the chance to get therapy on their phones.
Okay, Natalie, this is actually pretty cool. Psychologists at Northwestern helped to develop a treatment app and a hub app that can actually help manage different depression and anxiety disorders without having to schedule an appointment or see a doctor.
Depression and anxiety affect millions of Americans, many of whom don't have access to therapy or don't seek treatment. Which is why a team of psychologists at Northwestern Medicine, along with the National Institute of Mental Health, launched IntelliCare, 12 mini apps to help manage and treat depression and anxiety symptoms.
In that moment when you're feeling stressed out, you don't really know what's going to happen next, but you feel like you might go to a bad place. That's a great time that we want you to pick up our apps, look at them, use them.
Apps like Thought Challenger, Worry Not, Slumber Time, and Me Locate have been designed to give people the tools they would normally get from a psychologist. It can help those who have trouble sleeping or just help you get through a bad day.
I know, especially over the winter, I had a really difficult time getting out and doing things that made me feel good. And this app really helped me kind of brainstorm for things that I know make me feel good.
Dr. Nose says the apps can teach you new ways to handle hard moments in advance, or you can use it in the minutes leading up to a challenging situation.
You would think about that meeting, go in there and write down, you type in those thoughts that you're having, and then it would walk you through looking at how accurate is this thought. Is it possible that maybe I'm blowing this out of proportion? And how can I think about this in a different way that would be more helpful?
Billy Carruthers says it's the convenience of having help at the touch of a button that makes him breathe a little easier.
Something like anxiety or depression, it can strike at the most inopportune moments. And having an app that supports you, supports us, and allows us to make improvements in our mood.
The apps are free and available on Android phones only at this point, Natalie. The great thing is that these exercises really only take a few minutes. The people I spoke with said that this definitely helped them put things into perspective in just those few minutes.
And usually our phones make us crazy, don't they? We don't want them to go off, but this is a great way, putting it to good use.
Yes.
Thanks, Alexa.
Thank you.
Jeff?